Hello, this is Brian Larkin, and I'm excited to welcome you to the Teaching Online module. This has guides, goals, tips, suggestions, etc. for planning, structuring, and teaching your online course. To work through this course, you can click through these modules and click Next in the bottom right to advance to the next sequential guide. 3 goals for teaching online are to connect with your students, provide engaging course content, and to encourage community. Our first goal is for you to create a meaningful connection with your students. You can do this by sending a welcome email before your Camino course is even available to your students, by creating a discussion post assignment where students can respond using video to introduce themselves to you and their classmates, and by creating a welcome video to help you establish your teaching presence, set expectations for your students using video, and orient them to your Camino course. Doing these in the first week of the online course will help you establish a meaningful connection with your students. Our second goal is for you to provide engaging course content for your students to interact with. You can do this by structuring your Camino course in a way that is learner-centered. So, build a home page with text such as your welcome message, course description, teaching philosophy. You should also embed your welcome video on this page. You can add your syllabus to the syllabus tab in a PDF format so students can easily access that no matter what device they're using. You can build out sequential weekly modules so students can easily navigate your course. And you can build out your specific content within each module. We would recommend that you build assignments such as student presentations using Zoom, video discussions, or have your students create voice threads to collaborate with their peers and share their work in an engaging presentation that other students can comment on. Our third goal for you here is to encourage community and interaction between students. So at this point, you've published your course and students are accessing it. You can do things like create discussions, including social discussions, for students to interact with each other, encourage them to use the multimedia tool so that they can see and hear each other. You can create opportunities for students to collaborate with each other. Using the Google Doc feature on Camino will automatically create a Google Doc for all of your students to interact on. You can also choose specific students or groups to access that document. We would recommend also a voice thread assignment for student presentations, especially group presentations, so students can work asynchronously with each other to create a multimedia presentation. And last but not least, you can use Zoom for office hours to meet with your students in person, so to speak, so that you can see and hear and provide the feedback that you would in a regular face-to-face class. So those are the 3 goals for teaching online at Santa Clara University. See the pages for tips, examples, how-to guides, and other strategies for connecting with your students, providing engaging course content, and encouraging community. Once you've navigated through this course, check the Supplemental Materials tab. There you'll see examples of online courses at Santa Clara, supplemental links to other online sites with similar content, and we'd encourage you to join in the discussion for Share Your Workspace or Share Your Welcome video. This will show the rest of the faculty at Santa Clara what you're working on, and we can encourage faculty in our own course as an example.